Hey everyone, Tony, Rolling Faith here. Just finishing my little adventure at Ocala, Silver Springs Park. Last bottom boat tours and learned a lot over there, especially about the history of the place. And I'm on my way to Harvest Host now, a couple miles away, and I'll have some video on it. Hope you enjoy. Directions they sent me was a black 4-board fence. That don't look like it. Maybe this is the one. Yep, this is it. Real pretty over here. Both farms. The house is in the back, all from the main road. Pretty cool. These beautiful trees. Who wouldn't love living here? Driving through here every day. So peaceful. Look at all these trees. Tall. Gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Looks like I made it to the back. This is a beautiful house. About to meet the owners. So here I am, all set up. Well, almost set up. Everything except the electric, but I wanted to get some nice video of this Harvest Host location before it gets dark. Very private. You're far away from the homeowner's house, and you're surrounded by these tall trees. He said when he moved here, these trees are 8 feet tall. Now look at them. I don't even know how tall they are. So this is your spot where you can be. Originally I was over there, but he suggested I move over here where it's more leveled. Got 30 amp extension cord. It's good enough for me. When I hook up my cord, I have plenty of room. And this is the back. He told me this is 11 acres that he has here. Takes him 4 hours to mow. So, but it's pretty. Nice to look at. Very quiet, very safe. I mean, you're so far from the from the main road. You could kind of see it all the way down there. You gotta drive in a ways. But right now, I'm probably the noisiest person here. But it's pretty cool. Nice and quiet. All right. Tony out. If you like this video, please click and subscribe. It's a really good Harvest Host. And again, I'm in, I think it's pronounced Micanopy, Florida, between Ocala and Gainesville, Florida. So if you have to go to Sunshine State RV, and you're coming from the south, this is a good place to stop, like 20 minutes away from Gainesville, and I'm like 30 minutes away from Ocala. So Ocala, you have Silver Springs State Park there. So if you want to go on a glass bottom boat tour, this is a good place to stop too. Very affordable, and people are very nice. And hope you guys visit. Again, click and subscribe. Talk to you later. Tony out.